Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on the Vrbo application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the account button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and after that tap on notification preferences, which is the second button. Then tap on go to settings, and here at your phone settings you should tap on notifications and click on this button at the top to allow the app to have access to your notifications. And here you can choose the push notifications you would like to receive, such as about booking notification, messages from host and trip reminders, notifications from family and friends you're planning to travel with, and travel inspirations, offers and deals for your next trip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.